My name is Aishma.
And my name is
We are from St. Joseph High School. Our model name is Automatic Laundry Protector. In our in our day-to-day life, we used to hang our clothes under sunlight, but sometimes it starts raining and our clothes get wet. So to solve this problem, we have made an automatic laundry protector. It is a smart system that automatically open or closes the shade depending on the weather. When there is rain, the shade closes automatically and the clothes are protected.
like
When it is sunny, the shade remains open so the clothes can dry properly.
like
And now let's come to the parts of the system. So the first part is the rain sensor, which detects the presence of rain in the present time. And here is the IR sensor, which detects the presence of clothes in drying area. And there is the motor attached to the system, which is servo motor, which moves the clothes smoothly under the roof. And the main part of the system is Arduino board, which acts as the controller of the system, deciding what action are to be taken based on the sensor input.
सारे कंपोनेंट्स माइक्रो कंट्रोलर से कनेक्टेड है और माइक्रो कंट्रोलर सर्वो मोटर को सिग्नल देता है मूव करने के लिए
It is very useful in our daily life. It is a automatic project that automatically open or close the shade. It works under no supervision. It saves human effort and energy. In future, more sensors can be added for wind temperature and humidity. Solar panel can be added to save energy. It can be connected to mobile phone for notification.
used in houses, PGs, hostels, and apartments.
In conclusion, I want to say that this project is very useful in every home. Using our Arduino board, sensors and some simple electronic parts, we can make this system, and it is a small idea that can bring a smart change in our daily life. Thank you.
Thank you.